Love cookies that melt in your mouth? This classic shortbread is rich, buttery, and super easy to make with just a few ingredients. Perfect with tea, coffee, or as a sweet treat anytime. Let's bake. My name is Lydia. Welcome back to my channel. It tastes so good, I'm telling you, you cannot resist it. So, in